Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's video, I wanted to show you a really cute, really simple and fun way to dress up your dining table for Thanksgiving. So if you'd like to see how to do this right here and just some little tips and tricks that I've created, that way maybe they can get you into the holiday spirit, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. So for this tutorial, what you'll be needing today is some paper plates. You can also use fine chinaware if you do have it and if you like to use it. However, I just wanted to go with something simple and easy. So I did get some paper plates in the theme for Thanksgiving, as well as some napkins. I got a big plate, smaller plate, some paper napkins. I also got this paper, which I'm going to be using as a table runner. Then I also got some nice decor, some squash, some little pine cones. I got some really cute pumpkins, mini size ones that I'm going to be using to dress up the table. Just lots of little decor that I got at Michael's. And last but not least, I also got a tablecloth. Nice orange color, again, so I can go with the rest of the theme in the house. So as you can see here, I'm simply unpacking the tablecloth and placing it on the table. I did want to protect the table, so I decided to go with this nice kind of soft material on the bottom of this tablecloth. I felt like the material one was really nice instead of going for a plastic one. I felt like it just gave it a little bit more of an elegant touch. I'm now taking the paper table runner and I'm going to place this at the very edge and have it kind of hook over underneath the table, and then I just place the paper and the decor pumpkin just to kind of hold it in place while I rolled it all the way down to the end of the table and then just cut it with some scissors. Next, I'm grabbing two plates, one smaller and one bigger, and I'm using this as a guide to just draw circles onto the table runner. I had this idea of writing some words that would be really meaningful, so what I'm doing now to have a nice outline is I'm just tracing a circle around the paper plates, and as you can see, it's a little rigid, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, this is homemade. This should be fun. If you have kids, this is something that you can do with your kids. If you want to include your family in this as well, you can also do that and have them write their names, which would be really fun. However, I do have quite a few people coming this Thanksgiving, so I decided to just go with really nice words just to again remind us of what the holiday is all about, and just to remind us how homemade and just show all the love and creativity that you can put into a table. So I'm just going along. I'm deciding now the pattern that I wanted to go in. Again, you can do all the same circles. You can do different shapes. You can have, if you have kids, you can have them do maybe like a little hand turkey all around. Just really fun little things that you can add to the table runner. It doesn't have to be plain. You can make it really fun and just unique to yourself. So again, I'm just tracing the plates all around and just making these circles in a really cute kind of opposite kind of pattern. So now that I have my circles in place, I'm going around and I'm just writing in little words that were really meaningful to me and that I think my family would appreciate, and just again to just remind us about the holiday and what it's all about. So I wrote down words like blessed, family, joy, thankful, grateful, and love, and these are just really nice kind of words that for me mean a lot and will just, I feel like, remind us of the holiday, and again just kind of reiterate why we're all together and just kind of make that the focus of the dinner table, which I thought was really nice and unique. Again, you can write in any words you like. You can write in names if you like. That would be nice as well, but I chose to go with little words that were really meaningful. So now that the words are set, what I want to do next is I want to take a big plate as well as a small plate and kind of just place it around. Just for like 4 seats. I didn't want to go too crazy and add them all around because again, this is just a table that I'm going to be using for show, kind of just as like a display to just place like all the food on, and then we're gonna have a different table to then eat on, because again, I'm having quite a few family members come over. So I'm just placing the larger plates, and then again in the middle I'm placing the smaller plates, and then alongside that I'm going to be placing some napkins. And again, if you have chinaware, if you have like certain decor that you use, certain plates that you use for the holiday, you can definitely do that. This is our first Thanksgiving here, so we didn't have that, and I also just want to keep it really simple and fun. So I felt like switching it up and just using different plates and kind of fun things to mix and match and kind of just match the whole decor of the home would be really nice. So I place this here now, and then you'll see I'm placing the napkins alongside the plates to the right of them. Now I'm going along and I'm just adding all the little decor that I got, the little pine cones, I'm adding in the little squash, I'm adding in some pumpkins as well. I figured that this was really cute to kind of just scatter all over the place. I didn't go with such a super like dramatic and really kind of glamorous decor for the center. I wanted to keep it really down to earth, really natural, very homemade, and again just make the focus the words and just kind of tie in all the colors that I did have all around the house that I made with the wreath, with the decor outside, with the pumpkins that I placed around the house. So I felt like this was a really cute way to just incorporate all of that, but again keeping it really simple, really cute, and just really fun. And last but not least, I had a few leaves here that I had just left over from other projects, and I decided to add them into the table as well. That way they can really tie in nicely with the napkins and the rest of the theme. And after that final touch, this is the final result. I wanted to do this close-up video, that way you guys can really see all of the details, everything how it is placed, and as well as the words that I did write onto the paper table runner. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I feel like this is a really nice and fun homemade way to create your dining table, to put little simple and unique touches into it that really speak to you and to all the love that you're going to be creating on that special day. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up to support my channel. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.